Northrop B-2 Spirit, the ultimate stealth bomber. Introduction: the Northrop B-2 Spirit, commonly known as the stealth bomber, stands as one of the most revolutionary aircraft in aviation history. This extraordinary machine represents a quantum leap in military technology. Designed to penetrate deep into enemy territory while remaining virtually invisible to radar detection, the B-2 Spirit combines cutting-edge stealth technology with the capability to deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons anywhere on Earth. The B-2's distinctive flying wing design and advanced features make it more than just an aircraft. It symbolizes American air superiority and serves as a powerful deterrent against potential adversaries. Housing some of the most sophisticated military technology ever developed, the B-2 is a crucial component in maintaining global security and peace through strength. History and manufacturing, origins and development. The B-2 Spirit was developed during the Cold War, when the United States and Soviet Union were locked in an intense arms race. American military planners needed a bomber that could penetrate the Soviet Union's heavily defended airspace, protected by advanced surface-to-air missiles and radar networks. The challenge was enormous: create an aircraft that could fly thousands of miles into enemy territory, deliver its payload, and return safely without detection. Northrop Grumman was selected to tackle this challenge. After years of research and development, the first B-2 was revealed to the public in 1988 at Air Force Plant 42 in Palmdale, California, making its maiden flight in 1989. Manufacturing process. Building the B-2 was an unprecedented undertaking at Northrop Grumman's facilities in Pico Rivera and Palmdale, California. Advanced computer-aided design and manufacturing techniques were used to create its complex shape and stealth features. Every aspect had to be precise, as small imperfections could compromise stealth capabilities. Originally, 75 B-2 bombers were planned, but the enormous cost, over $2 billion per aircraft, led to only 21 being completed. Today, 19 remain in service, making it the most expensive aircraft ever built. Deployment and maintenance. The B-2 fleet is based at Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, with maintenance managed by Oklahoma City Air Logistics Center at Tinker Air Force Base, Oklahoma. The aircraft achieved full operational capability in December 2003. Features and capability. Stealth technology. The B-2's most famous feature is its revolutionary stealth technology. The flying wing design eliminates surfaces that typically reflect radar waves, while smooth, curved surfaces deflect radar energy away from enemy receivers. Advanced composite materials absorb electromagnetic energy, and special coatings further reduce radar reflection. The B-2 reduces its infrared, acoustic, electromagnetic, visual, and radar signatures, allowing it to penetrate even the most sophisticated air defense systems. Design and crew. The B-2 features a unique flying wing configuration with a wingspan of 52 meters and no traditional fuselage or tail. Weapons and payload. The B-2 can carry up to 40,000 pounds of weapons, including conventional bombs and nuclear warheads. It delivers precision-guided weapons like JDAM and powerful nuclear bombs like the B-83. Uniquely, the B-2 is the only operational aircraft that can carry large air-to-surface standoff weapons while maintaining stealth characteristics, automation, and comfort. Recognizing that missions can last over 40 hours, the B-2 features high automation, allowing one crew member to rest while the other maintains watch. Basic amenities include a small toilet and meal preparation facilities to help manage fatigue during ultra-long flights. Carried out missions. Combat history. While originally designed to strike heavily defended Soviet targets, the B-2 has been primarily used in smaller regional conflicts. During Operation Allied Force in Kosovo in 1999, B-2 South flew non-stop from Missouri to the Balkans, destroying 33% of Serbian targets in the first 8 weeks. Following 9/11s, B-2S played a crucial role in operation in Afghanistan in 2001, flying some of the longest combat missions in aviation history to strike Taliban targets. During Operation in Iraq in 2003, B-2 South flew 49 sorties, delivering over 1.5 million pounds of precision-guided munitions. More recently, B-2 South operated in Libya in 2011 and in 2017, enforcing no-fly zones, and destroying terrorist training camps. In 2024, they struck Houthi targets in Yemen, demonstrating continued relevance in modern conflicts. Deterrence role. Beyond combat missions, the B-2 serves as a strategic deterrent. As part of America's nuclear triad, its ability to deliver nuclear weapons anywhere in the world helps prevent major conflicts by demonstrating that the United States can strike back if attacked, regardless of distance or defenses. Pros. The B-2 Spirit offers numerous advantages that make it unique. Its stealth capabilities allow virtually undetected penetration of enemy airspace, accessing targets impossible for conventional aircraft. The exceptional range enables global missions without forward bases, reducing logistical complexity. The impressive payload capacity and precision delivery systems ensure high accuracy while reducing collateral damage risk. Most importantly, the B-2 serves as a powerful deterrent, demonstrating America's capability to strike anywhere at any time. Cons. Despite impressive capabilities, the B-2 faces significant challenges. As the most expensive aircraft ever built, at over $2 billion each, cost limits fleet size. Sophisticated stealth materials require constant, specialized maintenance, making operations expensive and time-consuming. With only 19 aircraft remaining in service, each loss represents a major capability reduction. While nearly invisible in flight, the aircraft becomes vulnerable when parked, making its base a potential target. Additionally, though upgraded, the 1980s designed aircraft faced challenges from emerging threats and technologies, leading to development of the B-21 Raider replacement. Conclusion. The Northrop B-2 Spirit represents one of the most remarkable achievements in aviation and military technology. Its revolutionary stealth design, exceptional range, and powerful payload make it a unique and essential component of the United States Air Force. Over 2 decades of service, the B-2 has proven its value in combat operations from Kosovo to Yemen, and as a strategic deterrent, fundamentally changing how modern air power is employed. The aircraft has successfully demonstrated its ability to strike targets with precision, while remaining undetected, making it invaluable for military planners. However, its extraordinarily high cost, complex maintenance requirements, and limited numbers present ongoing challenges. As technology evolves and new threats emerge, the B-2's aging systems will eventually require replacement through the B-21 Raider program. Despite these challenges, the B-2 Spirit's legacy is secure. It serves as a symbol of American technological innovation and military capability, while contributing to global stability through its deterrent effect. The B-2 represents the successful pursuit of creating a bomber that could fly anywhere, while remaining virtually invisible to enemy defenses.